What's going on YouTube? Come back into the box break of 2012 Showcase. It's kind of hard to slow roll these since they're clear and they're all backwards, so we'll just flip them upside down and go from the back. We're just going to hold it straight from right there. First card is going to be for the 49ers, I believe. Sometimes you're going to have to help me out with these. Nice little jersey card of LaMichael James. LaMichael James, that is not numbered. I believe that's for the 49ers. Michael James. Next. Number to 299. I need to get another decoy or something on here. Just hold the back of this so you can kind of see it. Dan Herron. Number to 299. Dan Herron. He's for the Bengals. Let me write these down so I know. Herron, Bengals. Dan Herron. Actually, let me get a decoy out here. Hang on a second. Alright. That'll make it a little bit easier. Next. Next, I've actually have him. But nice hit for the Colts. Numbered 112 of 149. Rookie autograph of Dwayne Allen. Dwayne Allen for the Colts. So Dwayne Allen. Next. Next, we have pulled him a couple times. This box better be good at the end because these cards are not that great. Number to 299, Stephen Gilmore, or Stephen Gilmore. I don't know what team he's for. Somebody wants to help me out with him. I want to say Rams, but I know it's not right. Stephen Gilmore, anybody know? Is it Bills? Bills. There you go, Bills. I've pulled him before. Stephen Gilmore. Gilmore, Bills. Alright, next. Good luck. Numbered 40 of 149. Pulled him before too. DeVere Posey, rookie autograph. DeVere Posey. Seems like I'm pulling the same people over and over again. Better be somebody really sick at the end of this break. DeVere Posey. Next. This guy's pretty good. I've actually pulled him before too. Number 115 of 149. A rookie autograph for the Bucks. Doug Martin. So that will be a random Doug Martin rookie autograph to 149. Put that in the random pile. Next. Is that our last hit? It is our last hit. Wow, that box was kind of weak. Number 22 of 25. It's making the cut autograph for the Titans. Kendall Wright. Kendall Wright for the Titans. Number 22 of 25. That was probably the worst box of Showcase I've ever opened. Usually the boxes aren't that bad. I'll go through it real quick, make sure we got everything. Kendall Wright, DeVere Posey, Stephen Gilmore, Dwayne Allen, Dan Herron, and the jersey. Did we get shorted one? Oh yeah, we did. No, we didn't. Doug Martin. Forgot the Doug Martin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 autos on the jersey. Yep, we got them all. All right. Doug Martin will be random. Come back with another box break. Bum to suit out.